What does that mean? This is God talking? Guys, look at this deep wisdom. Allah, brother. Let us call Zakir Naik. Taradan, 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 taradan. Assalamu'alaikum. Christian Prince, please, for the sake of Allah, leave me alone. I told you 1,000,000 times, don't call me after middle of the night. First of all, I might be having sexual intercourse with my wife now. Secondly, this is sexual harassment. Number 3, I have no answer for you. Brother, but we have a question here about this verse in chapter 66, verse number 3. I mean, what the prophet, he told his wife a secret, and then the secret spread around, and the secret became very well known, and then Allah told him about it, and then Allah, he made him know part of it and avoid the part. What is that part? Okay, I will tell you. First of all, don't ever listen to Christian Prince. He always, first of all, show me your face. Show me your face, I will give you the answer. Dr. Zakir Naik, the people want to know. It's not forget about Christian Prince. I cannot forget about seeing your face. I am sure you had in your face because of a very reason, very good reason. Okay, Zakir Naik, maybe I don't look good, man, like you know. You look good, I don't look good. Why I want to show my face? I know it. I know it. I am sexy and I know it. Thank you very much. Now, as long as you admitted that I am more sexy than you, and now this is why you don't want to show your face, now let me give you the answer. Unbelievable. Okay, brother, what is the answer? Allah Prophet, he told his wife that he is not going to sleep with Maria. Some scholars, they say it is not about Maria. It's about who is going to be the caliphate after the Prophet. And the wife, they spread the news, and that caused the problem. Brother, are you saying that your prophet, he made a mistake by doing that? First of all, Prophet of Allah never made mistake. As an example, there is a story that the prophet, he used to cook and his eyes is closing. Brother, the prophet used to cook and his eyes are closing. He used to cook what? I will explain to you. The prophet, his favorite food, it was adwa. Adwa is the palm tree fruit. You don't cook it. You idiot. You idiot. You have no idea what I'm talking about. Adwa, it's cooked in the mouth. You put it in your mouth and you cook it before you eat it. Thank you. Do we have any Muslim want to give us a call? Look like Zakir Naik, he have no idea what he's talking about. Or what I understand from him, that Christian Prince, he don't show his face because he is sexy and he know it. And Christian Prince look ugly. Anyone? There's no way that this conversation is God. God don't talk like that. This is a bunch of, uneducated people having gossip. And God, obviously, he worked for Muhammad. Muhammad here is reporting what happened. He made a mistake. He did a poo-poo. He told his wife something he should not tell. If we go to the interpretation, what the interpretation will say about this story, let us see. As long as Zakir Naik, he would not tell us.